This is one of the most charming and practical vehicles you'll see in 2025, a retro-styled micro-camper van that blends vintage aesthetics with modern functionality. At first glance, it's hard not to fall in love with its classic two-tone paint job, rounded body, and compact proportions. It's a head-turner for sure, the kind of camper that draws smiles wherever it goes. But don't let its size fool you. This little van is packed with features. On the outside, the camper sports a sleek cream and gold finish, retro chrome, accents, and a solar panel mounted right on the roof, giving it some real off-grid potential. The round headlights and vintage wheels stay true to its old-school inspiration, but the craftsmanship is entirely modern. Every detail feels intentional, clean, and stylish. Stepping inside, you'll find a cozy, thoughtfully designed interior that maximizes space without sacrificing comfort. The seating area doubles as a sleeping space, with cushioned benches that convert into a bed, ideal for solo travelers or couples. Light-toned wood finishes give the interior a warm, cabin-like feel, while the soft curtains and clever storage options make it homey and practical. There's a compact kitchenette equipped with a sink, some countertop space, and storage cabinets for essentials. While it's not a full kitchen, it's more than enough for quick meals on the road or a weekend getaway. You'll also notice how bright and airy it feels inside thanks to the large windows and soft lighting. Despite the small size, the clever use of layout and materials creates a sense of openness, something you don't always get in micro campers. Performance-wise, it's not built for high speeds or rough terrain, but it's ideal for city cruising, scenic routes, and relaxed camping. It's eco-conscious, efficient, and incredibly easy to park and maneuver, which makes it perfect for urban adventurers or weekend explorers. This 2025 model isn't just a camper van. It's a lifestyle statement. It's for those who love to travel light, go off the beaten path, and do it all in style. Whether you're heading to the mountains, the coast, or just escaping the city for a night, this micro camper van delivers everything you need in one adorable, functional package. If you're into minimal travel with maximum charm, this one's definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you'd take this camper on your next road trip.